So the first mistake is tutorial addiction. Now, I know all you guys love to do tutorials. You love to sit here for 3-4 hours, watch someone build a clone of an app, and then put your name on it and say, hey, I built that. Listen, if you want to learn the fundamentals, that might be the way to go. If you were to do one tutorial and learn as much as you can and actually stop at different points to understand what's being done and understand exactly why this function is being created, what this state is holding, why are we working with these particular technologies or frameworks to build this particular app, you're going to see why this framework works versus the other framework. Depending on what you're trying to do and what you're trying to learn, that's something that you have to dive into, not just sitting there for 3 hours and then watching someone tell you what they're building. Copying and pasting code doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't really show that you know the fundamentals, because the fundamentals are going to take you so much further. If you understand how to solve problems from a logical standpoint, so you have to understand, like, developers, we use our brain every single day at a certain capacities. If you are not in that mode to solve problems, no matter how small or big it is, you are going to fail. And you might solve one problem, another problem, and then you try to take on a really complex problem and think you can hit it head on, and you're gonna run into a roadblock. You're gonna suck, and it is what it is. But you have to learn how to deal with complex problems. The first thing you would do is understand the problem. What problem are we trying to solve? What is the use cases? If you understand that, then start breaking that problem down into smaller pieces. It's very simple, but you have to start creating these habits to do it. Not just being like, hey, I'm just gonna work on this, or have AI do all the work for you. No one's learning at that point.